The next thing that I want to show you is called Dualless. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Chrome web store. I'm not there, oops. And you're going to search for the extension that you want. The one we want is called Dualless. And it's a split screen extension. It's going to, so I already have it. It says mine is added. Where mine says rate it, yours is going to say add to Chrome. So you can go ahead and add that. Once you have it added, at least in mine, I'm not sure if yours does this, you will see it up at the top. It shows the screen kind of split into two. Okay, so what this does is this is going to be really helpful when we're watching a video and when we are taking notes. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm done in this, so I'm going to get out of that. So what you're going to have up is our notes are going to be an ed puzzle. In these first few days, we're going to be reviewing fractions and decimals, and then we're going to take those and use them in other parts of math. So for now, we're going to use Math Antics videos, but don't worry, pretty soon they'll go back to videos of Mrs. Dunn. Okay, so I have just these two tabs. You could have more tabs open, it doesn't matter. I'm going to click on the Dualless extension, and you can decide, this is showing you what your screens will look like. I just do the 5 to 5, that way they're split equally. And then one pops over to the right and one goes over to the left. Now, this is a sample of what your notes will look like on the right. And over here is the video. So as the video plays, you're not going to be able to hear it, but that's okay. As the video plays, maybe, I can pause the video at any time. That's the beauty of Edpuzzle, is if you're stuck or you're not sure, just like when you watched Mrs. Dunn's videos, you can pause it as well. So on here, once that loads, we're going to be able to work over here and insert our text box just like we learned how to do earlier. And then our notes page will be filled in. Okay, I finally got my video to work here. Okay, so they're gonna start, he's gonna talk, and as he's doing that, we're gonna be able to fill in the notes as needed. So we're almost to that part, just a second. There we go. All right, so here I would pause. This is the first example in my notes. So I would insert a text box, and I would insert 0, and you can make that bigger. And also I would, let me think of how to do that with the text box. There you go. Oops, I don't want that one. So I went ahead and filled that in. Now, if you just click text box and you don't pick the size, it'll give you that really big piece. So I would do it this way. Another trick is, once you have one, you could just keep copying that one and changing it. So I'm going to make this bigger again. If I would have just copied and pasted it, I wouldn't have had to do that. 18. Okay, oops, that should be a 1. So if you mess it up, not a big deal. You can just do it again. Now I'm going to copy this because I wasn't having very much luck the other way since I kept messing up. Oops. Still not working very well. Copy, paste. Wow, that's ginormous. I'm going to make this a 1. Okay, this is not ideal, I'm discovering. So what you might want to do is the split screen is really nice, but maybe as I'm filling it in, like it's going to be better for me to make that bigger and even probably zoom this in. Maybe that's part of my problem too. So let me make that bigger. Then I was having trouble before working with the text box, so now it's much easier, I feel like, to use. So I can go back, and I'm just using my minimize, maximize there. So then I can move on to the next thing. So I did that one. Then in my video, I'm sure next it's going to do this. Okay. So now it did 2/10, and then you would fill it in there. Now, one thing I want to look at just really quickly is down here, I noticed I can get rid of that other stuff, but it doesn't let me edit. Okay, so that won't work. Okay, so again, you can insert your text box. Now, you can choose to do this along the way. You can choose to do that along the way. That's why I wanted to show you the Dualless. It's just an option. If you don't want to do that, if you want to pause and go in and out and go back and forth between screens, that would be totally okay. If you want to wait and fill it in after, that would be okay as well. Whatever you want to do, you're just basically taking your information that you got from the video and you're using it on your notes so that when we complete our activity, you have notes or something to kind of refer back to or to help you. Okay? All right. Reach out if you have any questions or if you find anything that's helpful or anything that's confusing.